Sa ibang parte naman, ng Canada for us.
So how with Kim na this time?
I'm very excited again to entertain our fellow kapamilyas here in Canada and to bring joy to.
Yes, oo naman. Kasi this time around, twice lumabas ng bansa ang ASA.
Tama.
For the first time ata nangyari yun. And we're very excited na from England, after a month, nandito ulit kami sa Canada naman, sa ibang parte ng mundo.
Pao.
Ako naman, last time I was in Canada, was also for ASA.
Oh yeah.
We're going back to Canada. Sa ibang parte naman.
Of course, from ABS and Dreamscape. And sobrang excited. Yung kwento na to, parang hindi ko pa siya nagagawa talaga. Ever. So, habang may mga chance and opportunities, bakit hindi naman gawin? Of course, syempre with Pao.
Ulit to work for the 4th time.
Oo nga eh.
Pao ha? 4th time.
It's always a pleasure to work with Kim and parang
Napapayag ulit to work for the